Hello, most towns and cities now have a selection of these scooters available for hire. It's all app controlled. You unlock it with a QR code on the scooter, unlock that with your phone, and that then allows you to pay to ride these around. People use them at igus in Northampton for commuting to and from work, taking traffic off our roads, which is of course fantastic. The interesting thing about these scooters is that they generally have a planetary transmission system here in the drive, and these use at least three gear wheels, and igus manufacture a range of moulded or 3D printed self-lubricating gears, and this is a perfect application for these products. You can find out more about igus plastic gears and the whole moulded range that we do online. The link is in the text below, and we'd be interested to make gears for you. So if you do use gears on your machine, then please give igus a try. Thank you very much, and now I must get off.